We're going to be practicing with calculating volume with formulas. Now we've already done this. So today this is a review. So our content objective is I can calculate volume using the formulas length times width times height. So we have length times width times height. Or we can also do it using area times height. We should be able to, our language objective is I can explain volume and how to calculate it. So let's go ahead and dive into a problem. So here we're going to calculate volume using length, and I'm just going to abbreviate it, length times width times height. I always like to write it in the corner, so I always have that with me. Okay, well now, it's even a little bit more difficult because there's two rectangular prisms, so not just one. So I'm going to need to break them up. And I think the easiest way for me, I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to break it right here. So this is going to be one rectangular prism. And then I could say this is one rectangular prism. And this is another rectangular prism. So I have two rectangular prisms. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do this larger one first. And I first need to do the length. Well, I'm noticing from here to here is 5 meters, but that's not all of it because that would just be from here to here. And we have this other piece, which I can look at all the pieces and know that that's also 1 meter. Or I can go over here to the longer side and realize that that is 6 meters. So it's 6 meters times my width, which is 2 meters, times my height, which is 4 meters. So 6 times 2 times 4 is going to give me 48 meters cubed. 6 times 2 is 12, times 4 is 48. Meters times meters times meters is meters cubed. That is the volume. I don't know if I said area earlier. Sorry, volume for this rectangular prism. Now I need the volume for this rectangular prism. I'll go here with the length. The length is 3 meters times the width, which is 1 meter, times the height, which is 4 meters. So that is 3 times 1 times 4 is 12 meters cubed. Now I know the volume for cubed. The volume for this rectangular prism, the volume for this rectangular prism, all I have to do is add them together. So I have 12 meters cubed plus 48 meters cubed, and that gives me a total volume of 60 meters cubed. All right, using the formula for length times width times height to solve that problem. All right, let's go ahead and do another one. Oh, mystery word. Okay, well, the mystery word for this video is turkey. Turkey. Write that down somewhere so that you've got the mystery word for this video. Okay, so let's dive into the problem. Hey, on this one, I'm noticing that I have a height, but I don't have a length. And I don't have a width, but I do have the area. And I know that the area is the length times the width. So sometimes I'm given an area of one of the faces, and this time, no exception. I'm given the area of this top face, and I can just multiply it by the third dimension. So the area of the top face is 12 feet squared because it's area, and I'm going to multiply it by the other dimension, which in this case happens to be the height. And so 12 times 3 is, 36. And it's feet squared times feet, which is feet cubed. There you go. Have some fun doing the problems that are in the assessment. But don't forget that mystery word because you're going to need it.